Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. I'm Caitlin Bintulan, 28 years old from Panabo City, Davao del Norte, Philippines. I am single, I'm a college graduate, and I am the third among 9 siblings. I don't have experience in working abroad, but I worked before as housemaid here in Philippines for 2 years. I served 4 people, 2 adults, 3 years old girl, and 5 years old boy. My main duties and responsibilities: taking good care of 3 years old girl, take her a bath every day, preparing her food to eat, and take her to school. And I also do household chores such as washing dishes, laundry, and cleaning the house. The reason why I want to work in Hong Kong it is because they have a lot of career opportunities, a reasonable compensation, a lot of employee benefits mandated by the law, and also a safe country. I describe myself as responsible, hardworking, disciplined, fast learner, and I am passionate about my work. Thank you for considering my application. I am looking forward to the opportunities to demonstrate my capabilities. Thank you and God bless.